What's going on, you beautiful people? Welcome to another video. Today we're here at Florence, but we're gonna jump on a train for about an hour or 15 minutes and go to, Jesus, it's so loud here, go to the Leaning Tower of Pisa. Let's go check this place out and have a great freaking day. Oh, Jesus! Alright, right here at Pisa Italy. Now, I need to get out of here and find where I'm going. Alright, as I find my way around here, going to check this place out, I just realized that, you know, I'm motivated to work harder and make more money because while you can travel the world really cheap and, you know, with very cost effective and without spending too much money, it's a lot more convenient sometimes to spend that little bit of money, especially on accommodation. I think staying in a decent place, getting a decent night's sleep is probably one of the most important things, because if you don't, you will waste the next day, all of it, because you'll be tired and you won't be doing what you want to do because you're just too tired. Quite like the vibes in here. It's a little bit quieter than Florence, so it's more interesting, I guess. I just don't like too many people everywhere, and this is one experience that I can enjoy. I just had a scammer approaching me again. I think if the scammers knew who I am, they will never talk to me. I'm literally exposing all of them. Sometimes I've been filming them and I'm uploading it here. Speaking of scammers, I got attacked by a scammer in Venice 2 days ago. And because I filmed him, and this guy's here, what's up? And then yeah, but anyway, now we're right there at the Leaning Tower of Pisa. Check this place out, you can see it right there actually. Okay, the person who wrote that, definitely a sense of humor right there. Sorry, the tower is not leaning today. Let's see if it's leaning today or not. Yeah, no. Pretty sure it's leaning today too. As I'm walking here, you will see the reality of everyone trying to take the same photo so they can say they've been here. It's, oh man. It's crazy, like non-stop. Look at this guy with this freaking tripod out. More people this way. Over there. It's insane. But I think to get some unique photos, we need a drone. We need a drone right here. We need a drone, and once we got this, actually, you know what? Go to my Instagram at Real Black Box. That way you'll see all the photos I've taken. Here we go. You'll see the photos, the drone photos are from here. You're gonna love it. I think this is the best spot to fly a drone, so let's do it. Cannot take off, meaning it's a no-fly zone. If I go further out a little bit, I might be able to, but it's like, why would I? Anyway, I'm gonna try, but I don't think I can, so freaking hell, I bring the drone for nothing. Let's go. It really sucks not being able to fly a drone here, but I guess it's all there for safety reasons, so let's not think about it too much, but I will try out there to see if I can get a view from far away. If that's still possible, we'll find out. See that construction? Can you hear that? Anyway, out of here, it was an underwhelming experience, and that's it.